Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 22 how to download a photo from Instagram using the application called GRIDS for Instagram using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dot, click on the application itself called GRIDS, and then go to your profile, click on a photo that you wish to download, and then navigate to the bottom right corner, click on the three dots, and then we can save the photo, or we can click on the photo from the home page or your profile itself, right click, save the photo, and change the directory to the desktop itself. Save. And now the photo has been saved to the desktop. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.